Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. So that's July, August, September. Ayan. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano magpabook for a private reading. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay, Taurus, let's see what's up. Anong energies na parating sa inyo? Third quarter ng 2024 para sa mga Taurus. You have River. River is about forgiveness, no? Maaring meron kang taong patatawarin ngayong third quarter ng 2024. This can be a person from the past. Pwede rin tong sarili mo, no? Kasi syempre, minsan, pinahihirapan din natin yung sarili natin dahil sa mga mistakes na nagawa natin in the past. But this time, you will get over it. You will move on from it and you will forgive yourself dun sa mga bad decisions, mga mistakes, okay? And you are taking responsibility doon sa mga actions mo. So ngayon, mas mas malawak ang iyong isip, mas malalim ka ngayong mag-isip, or kumbaga yung perspective mo sa buhay mas nagiging mature. You're becoming more mature. Okay, let's see what else, Taurus. You have Crystal. Crystal is healing. So definitely, no, iba sa inyo, after forgiving yourself, forgiving others, doon na magsa-start yung healing process. Okay? Kasi actually, hindi ka makakapag-heal kapag hindi ka pa nag-forgive, no? Oo. Minsan, akala natin, nakapagpatawad na tayo, pero may mga trigger points may mga times na hindi pa pala. So, once you've forgiven, you will heal. Okay? You will heal from anything na traumatic sa'yo or painful na experience mo. You also have Thunderbolt. Uy. Thunderbolt is about being open-minded, no? Maaring meron kang mga bagong ideas na may isip ngayong third quarter ng 2024 na sa tingin mo will do something great in your life. Maaring ikaw ay mas magiging creative, mas marami kang mga bagong ideas na pwede mong subukan. Parang you're very inspired, no? There will be some sources of inspiration sa'yo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. 'Di ba? Ganda. So let's see what else for Taurus. Third quarter 2024. Taurus. The Chariot. Talagang you're moving on, you're moving forward, you are focused on your future. You have the Three of Cups, celebration, no? You have the Tower, you have the Four of Pentacles, and the Queen of Wands. Okay. I think, Taurus, there is a major, like, a sudden change. Pwedeng merong yung tinatawag nilang catalyst, ayun, naalala ko na yung word na yan. Kanina dun sa kabilang reading, possible sa Cancer or sa Leo, I'm looking for that word, yung catalyst. So, maaring meron kang mga unexpected na change na may experience ngayong third quarter na magli-lead sa'yo sa bagong experience, sa bagong inspiration. Okay? Anything that you think is no longer serving your highest good, you are letting that go. Part of that is yung, di ba minsan tayo, parang nagtatanim tayo ng sama ng loob. Oo. Yun yung bagay na hindi natin nakikita or hindi natin nahahawakan, na nagpapabigat sa ating kalooban. So yung iba sa inyo, you are finally letting that go because you want to focus on your future, ano yung path na susubukan mo, na gusto mong puntahan. You also have a celebration here. So maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga achievements ngayong third quarter ng 2024. Some of you, pwedeng makakabili kayo ng sarili nyong sasakyan, kung meron na kayong sasakyan, bagong sasakyan, or travel opportunities for you. Some of you, I also see, pwedeng may opportunity to travel, like to relocate. Oo, yung iba, magre-relocate ng bahay, magre-relocate kayo ng trabaho. Some of you, you will set up a home-based career, home-based job, no, na kung saan magagamit mo yung talents mo, creative skills mo. Sa money, career, finances, o di ba? 4 of staves, 10 of staves, medyo busy, maraming kailangang gawin ngayong third quarter. Yung iba sa inyo talaga maglilipat ng bahay or maglilipat ng office, ng trabaho. But this is something, a positive change to for you, Taurus, when it comes to your money, career, finances. Maraming responsibilities, yes, pero kaya mo siyang i-handle. So, maaring meron ding celebration sa trabaho, meron kang certain achievement, na-recognize ka sa work or sa career mo. Working together, o meron ka talagang major decision. I think you will also spend more time with your friends, with your colleagues. Pwedeng meron kayong a-attendan na yung team building. Ayan. Magsasama-sama kayo for a cause, or magta-travel kayo somewhere to build camaraderie. Oh, may camaraderie. So, yung iba, ito na nga, isa to sa major decision ninyo. Pwedeng sa una, naguguluhan kayo kung ano ba, ililet go nyo na ba yung dati nyong career, work, trabaho, or you will try new things. And I think you're going to be supported ng mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo, na sinasabi na, yes, go! Gawin mo yan, Taurus. You can do that. You also have, sa love life, 2 of Pentacles, the 4 of Vessels, and the 6 of Vessels. Okay, meron na naman ditong energy ng past. Pwedeng itong energy ng past mo, this person from the past might be reaching out sa'yo, trying to work things out. Pero, ang nakikita ko rito, parang hindi ka na interesado eh. It seems na you want something new, you want someone new. Although, you still have feelings for this person, mahal mo pa rin, pero isip mo, worth it ba itong taong to na balikan? Lalo na kung ito yung taong pinatawad mo na. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng pinapatawad, binabalikan. 'Di ba? Pwede mo siyang patawarin, pero hindi ka na babalik sa kanya. Ganon. Lalo na kung medyo malaki yung kasalanang nagawa niya sa'yo. Kumbaga yung pagpapatawad na binibigay mo sa taong yun is para sa sarili mo rin. Para ikaw ay gumaan ang iyong pakiramdam. Some of you will spend more time with your kids, no? Kung meron ka ng anak. You may be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's a new person. Pwedeng, meron ka makikilala like an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius sa workplace mo na pwedeng maging inspiration mo, na parang, alam mo yun, may kilig whenever makikita mo tong taong to. So, at least, there is someone that is inspiring you to do better. Iba naman yung mga anak nyo ang inspiration niyo. You will spend more time with them together. Lalo na dun sa mga solo parent, no, na very busy. So, mas may time ka rin ngayong third quarter sa family mo. Especially kung ikaw ay nagsiset up ng work from home. So, from office setup, nag-work from home ka. So, definitely you will spend more time with your loved ones. Be open through this transitional time. Yes. Ito yung transition talaga kasi para siyang paglipat ng bahay, trabaho, career, ganyan. So, ngayon, open na open ka dyan. Kasi, kumbaga, wini-welcome mo yung pagbabago sa buhay mo. Oo, wini-welcome mo yan. So, you are open to new experiences ngayong third quarter. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.